Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. This is Psychic Sun Tarot. This is going to be your weekly reading, Leos. This is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. This may or may not resonate to all of you, okay? So, if you're a cross watcher, please reverse the energies and yeah. So let's see. This is going to be for both of you, Leos who are in relationship and Leos who are single. So, okay, let's see what do we have for Leos. Alright, Leos, we have the High Priestess, the Page of Wands in reverse, Six of Pentacles, King of Cups, Three of Swords. Okay, Leos, I think some of you are in this place where, you are enjoying life. You don't know what is there for you for tomorrow. It's just that you're going with the flow. I see that energy where you're just going with the flow. Could be some of you, I feel that you are in a situation where, you feel ignored. Okay, maybe you feel ignored, or you could be somebody, Leo, who is leaving somebody behind and moving towards a new person. We have the Three of Swords also here. So some of you are deeply hurt, you are in pain. Okay, there's something that's bothering you, Leos. You are like, you don't know what's there in store for you. You're just going with the flow. For some of you, I feel that you are in a place where, you're not talking to people around you. You have kind of isolated yourself. You're focusing on yourself, focusing on doing something for yourself. Maybe some of you may have had some realizations, some awakening, and you may have made a decision to do something in life. I do see that energy. You want to talk to somebody, Leo. Okay, I do see you wanting to talk to somebody. Now we have the King of Cups, Temperance, Five of Pentacles, Ace of Cups and the Hangman. Leo, some of you, I feel that you are in a place where, there's somebody who likes you, but I think you are either stuck with your past, somebody who is not there in your life today, and even if you are in that relationship, you're not happy. So in spite of all that, I feel that there's somebody who likes you, Leos. Okay, this person is very much in love with you. This person could be a Leo, a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a Saggy who likes you or who wants to be around you. Some of you may have broken up with a person. This could be a Taurus, Aquarius, Capricorn, or you are going through this issue, some issues with these three sun signs. Okay, maybe even if you are in this relationship, you are not so happy, you feel left out, you feel that there's not an equal give and take in this relationship. Some of you, I feel maybe you are in a relationship with a Taurus, Aquarius and Capricorn who has put you in this place of Three of Swords. This could be a Taurus or an Aquarius or a Capricorn. This person doesn't pay attention to you, or this person makes you wait, or they are so slow, they take forever to communicate, forever to talk to you, or this is a person, who doesn't respect you, maybe, something like this, or somebody who is playing mind games. This person could be acting pricey or playing hard to get, and you can't wait. You being Leos, you just can't be in this energy of somebody manipulating you, somebody playing with you, or somebody just taking you for a ride. So so that is the reason why you are in this place of Five of Pentacles, you are in this place of Hangman, High Priestess, or the King of Cups. You are like, you are not sure whether this person is right for you or not. So you are trying to take a step back and you're going to watch from there. You are like, I will wait for a while. If you continue being this, I'm going to step out of this relationship. I know you cannot take this forever, Leos. I know you very well. You cannot take this BS from this person forever. So you will give them some time. If they change, well and good. If they don't, you will back out. I do see that energy here, Leos, for you. Some of you are focused on your own healing. Now this could be mental healing. This could be you are focused on being spiritual. You are not communicating with people, or you could have isolated yourself, focused on work. It could be anything. But there is somebody who is interested in you, Leo, but you are not paying attention. I do see that, okay? It's like you have turned your back towards this person. This is a passionate relationship. I think this person could be a Leo themselves or a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This could be a Virgo, a Libra, Cancer. Let's see, what does this person think about you? We'll see their feeling, the person my Leo is dealing with. We'll see what are their feelings towards you, Leo, the person you are dealing with. What are their current energies, or what are they feeling for you? Let's see. We'll see their feelings and we'll see their current energy towards you, Leo. I think this card wants to come out. Page of Swords. What does this person feel towards Leo? Let's see. Okay, I've got so many cards. Ace of Wands, Page of Swords, Knight of Wands. Leos, you, oh my God, what have you done to this person? Leos, this person that you're dealing with, okay, just a sec, I'm just going to keep these cards properly so that you can view all of them. Okay. Leos, this person is crazy for you. They can't wait to be in this relationship with you. They are keeping tabs on you. This person could be stalking you in your social media. You know, they keep seeing you, your post, your FB messages or Instagram, Twitter, whatever. It could be anything, any social media, you know. So whatever it is, but this person is keeping close tabs on you. What do you do? Where do you go? They want to talk to you. They want to communicate with you. This person could be somebody who is stalking you. Leos, this person wants to start a new life with you. Leos, I don't know who is this message for, but there's somebody new in your life. I told you there's somebody who likes you a lot, and this person just can't wait to be in this relationship with you. Okay? They are madly in love with you. They are crazy. They want to be with you. I do see that energy. They keep stalking. They keep check on you. Blah, blah, blah. All that things that I've already told you. And now, as far as your this current relationship is concerned, Leos, I do see that you are in a place where you are hurt. You are in pain. Maybe that is why you are ignoring these people, you know, who are coming closer to you or who are showing interest in you. You are like, you know, you are trying to push them away. That is because you are hurt. Some of you, maybe you've had a bitter ending recently, or you are going through that process. And for the others of you, there is somebody who is, even if you are in this relationship, especially if it's a Taurus, Leo, I feel this person is somebody who is, you know, giving you bits and pieces. It's like they may be breadcrumbing you, you know, showing you that they are there, but then yet they are not there. And they have put you in this place where you feel isolated. You don't feel as if you are loved with this person. This person is somebody who takes you for granted, who doesn't respect you, who doesn't keep you their priority. This could be a Capricorn or a Taurus. So for the others of you, maybe you love this person a lot, you are in relationship with, but it's not working out, and you can sense it, you can feel it. I see that energy. Okay, but I think there's definitely somebody else, Leo, who is interested in you, but you're not paying attention. Okay, that is very clear in this reading. I don't see any movement. Leos, you are in a place where I don't see you taking any action. I don't see you taking any movement towards this person. You are holding back. You are not trying to show your emotions. Okay, you're not showing your emotions. You're trying to hold back. For some of you, this is a completely new relationship. Some of you, I feel that you are in a place where this is a completely new person you are involved with. Some of you may be dealing with two people at the same time, Leos. Yeah, you may have two people at the same time in your life. Yeah, Eight of Cups reverse. Some of you are in this place where you are almost on a verge of moving out of a relationship. It's like you are waiting for the right time, or you don't want to move on, but I do see this energy where you're thinking of moving out of a relationship. Some of you have been separated in the recent past. This could be last 6 months, 1 year. I do see separation for some of you. You may have separated from this person. Your priority is work, Leo. You're highly focused on work. Maybe you are trying to do something on your own. Some of you, I feel that especially if you are a woman, you are trying to do something on your own. Gender really doesn't matter. It could be a man also. But I see you doing something. You want to do something on your own business. This could be anything. Okay. As far as the outcome is concerned, I don't see you making any decision. However, I feel that you want to move out of a relationship you're not happy in. For the others of you, you are already in a very, very new relationship and everything is going quite well. This is so new that you are this person you are involved with, they are crazy for you, but you are not too sure. Maybe because this is so new that you're trying to go with the flow. You are like, let's see where it goes, how it goes. Okay, so you're just trying to go with the flow, not thinking about the future. That energy. Now let's see, what do we have in store for my singles? Let's see, what do we have in store for my singles? Okay, I think I'm going to pick up some cards here. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Emperor, the Chariot, Page of Pentacles, and Seven of Cups, Moon, and Knight of Swords. Okay, that is it. Singles, I feel that there is somebody who is rushing in towards you and you are ready to move forward with this person. Okay, I do see that you have somebody who is an emperor. Okay, this person could be an empress or an emperor, doesn't really matter, but a strong commitment is there in front of you. Maybe not just one, maybe you have choices, singles. So some of you have a choice between 2-3 people and you are like confused who to go with. Some of you, I feel that this is a complete new chapter and you may have decided to move forward and you are in this process of making a decision, singles. Some of you are still holding on to your past. Some of you are not so happy with the options that you have right now. Could be that you want something more, but I don't see you that happy being with this person, single. Okay, so some of you are in this place where you are like, I don't want to get married now. I am ready to wait for some more time. I want to wait for the right time and then I will choose to marry. For the others of you, it's like even if you have this person, you're not so happy. It's like you have choices but you're not happy with either of them. Like maybe you have 2 people with you or 3 people, you know, who are showing interest in you, but then you are not so happy, what something, I don't know, for whatever reasons. Some of you are just exploring in and out of a relationship. I mean, this could be a casual relationship, you are not very serious, no commitment, I see that also. Okay, singles, I feel that you have a strong commitment coming your way from a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Scorpio, Cancer, Virgo. This could be an Aries also, which is a very, very strong commitment. So I think you will have to choose from one of them. Okay, so some of you, I think you are ready to start something new, because you already have options, I told you. So you are ready and you're just ready to get into this relationship. Some of you, I do see you being in casual relationship. It's like no commitment sort, just fun, going with the flow, that kinds. Okay, so let's see what else do we have for Leos. Let's see what do we have for my Leos. Any other message? Let's see what do we have for my Leos. Oh my god, I think I've got something here. The house. Some of you are not well, Leos. Okay, either you are recovering from something or something like this. Journey. Some of you are planning to travel. Unexpected income, Leos. You are going to benefit in some way. Okay, somebody will help you financially. Some of you are focused on building a house. You want your own house, you want your own stability, or something connected to property, you know, that's worrying you, or that is your priority. There's somebody who is helping you a lot, Leos. Some of you are recovering, you're not well. Some of you are going to travel soon. That's the message, you're going to travel soon. Okay, let's see if we have any other message for my Leos. Okay, I think this card wants to pop out. Community. Wow. Leos, I think the advice is just spend some time with your friends. Okay, go out, meet people. I think this advice is coming again for the second time. I've been getting it regularly. Happy family. You know, just spend some time with your friends, spend some time with your family. I think because you have isolated yourself because of the past trauma, hurt, whatever. Woman holding a coin. If you are a male, or if you are somebody, if you are a masculine energy, I do see that you know, there is a strong commitment that's coming your way, especially if you are a masculine energy. Gender really doesn't matter, but this is for men out there. I feel that there is a woman who is going to come towards you. She is going to be financially very stable, and you are going to get a commitment from her or an offer from her. Okay, now this could be financial help, this could be a love offer. I do see this coming your way if you are a masculine energy. Okay, so that is it, Leos. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, do let me know. Do like and subscribe. Okay, so you guys take care, Leos. Bye bye, take care.